Figs, with their rich history and deliciously sweet fruit, are a rewarding addition to any garden. Propagating figs from cuttings is an economical and satisfying way to grow your own fig tree. Not only does it ensure you get the exact variety you desire, but it also offers a glimpse into the fascinating process of plant reproduction. In this guide, we'll explore how to grow fig sprouts from cuttings, step by step, and provide essential care tips to help your fig tree thrive. Growing figs from cuttings has many advantages. Cuttings are an exact clone of the parent plant, meaning you'll replicate all its best traits, including fruit quality, size, and growth habit. Plus, it's a cost-effective way to expand your garden or share plants with friends. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather the right tools and materials. Here's what you'll need. Healthy fig cuttings. Choose cuttings from a healthy mature fig tree. Each cutting should be about 6 to 10 inches long, with at least 3 to 4 nodes, the small bumps on the stem where leaves or roots grow. Sharp pruning shears. Use clean, sharp shears to ensure a precise cut without damaging the plant. Rooting hormone, while not necessary, can speed up root development. Containers. Choose pots with good drainage. Small pots or nursery bags work well for initial propagation. Potting mix. Use a well-draining mix such as a combination of sand, perlite, and peat moss. The best time to take fig cuttings is during the plant's dormant season, typically in late winter or early spring. Locate a healthy branch. Choose a branch that is free of disease and pests. The wood should be firm but not overly mature. Make a clean cut. Using your shears, cut a 6 to 10 inch section of the branch. Ensure the cutting includes several nodes and remove any leaves or buds near the bottom of the cutting. Before planting, prepare the cuttings to encourage root growth. First, trim the base. Make an angled cut at the bottom of the cutting just below a node. This exposes more surface area for rooting. Optionally, you can use rooting hormone. Dip the base of the cutting into rooting hormone to stimulate faster root development. Now it's time to plant the cuttings in a container. Start by preparing the potting mix. Fill your container with a well-draining mix. A 1-to-1 ratio of perlite and peat moss works well. Next, insert the cuttings. Make a small hole in the soil and insert the cutting, ensuring at least 2 nodes are buried. Firmly press the soil around the cutting to hold it in place. Finally, water thoroughly. Water the soil until it's evenly moist but not soggy. To ensure successful root growth, you'll need to create the right environment. First, focus on humidity. Cover the container with a plastic bag or place it in a greenhouse to maintain high humidity. Ensure there's adequate airflow to prevent mold. Second, consider temperature. Keep the cuttings in a warm location, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Lastly, think about light. Place the container in a spot with bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can dry out the cuttings or scorch the leaves. Root growth typically begins within 4 to 6 weeks, though it can take longer depending on conditions. First, check for resistance. After a month, gently tug on the cutting. If you feel resistance, roots are forming. Next, watering is key. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot. Once the cuttings have established roots, they can be transplanted into larger containers. First, choose the right pot. Select a container that allows room for growth and has excellent drainage. Next, use nutrient-rich soil. Transition to a mix of potting soil with compost for added nutrients. Finally, water and monitor. Water thoroughly after transplanting and monitor the plant closely as it adjusts. Watering figs prefer moist soil but dislike sitting in water. Ensure the pot drains well to prevent waterlogging. Sunlight. Place the fig tree in a location with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Pruning. Regularly prune your fig tree to shape it, remove dead or damaged branches, and encourage fruiting. Feeding. Fertilize the tree with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to support healthy growth and fruit production. Winter care. In colder climates, bring your fig tree indoors or protect it with insulation to prevent frost damage. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Adjust your watering schedule and consider adding fertilizer. Root rot. Ensure the pot has proper drainage and avoid overwatering. Pests. Watch out for pests like spider mites or aphids. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Growing fig trees from cuttings is a rewarding journey that connects you to the cycles of nature. Watching your cuttings sprout roots and grow into healthy, thriving plants is a deeply satisfying experience. Figs not only provide delicious fruit, but also make a beautiful addition to your garden or indoor space. With the steps outlined above, you'll be well on your way to nurturing your own fig tree from a simple cutting. Hydro Haven is here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow plant enthusiasts. Let's grow together.